And no one explained to us that the exhaustion we feel after holding everything together for everyone but ourselves is manufactured. I'm going to share with you one of the most detrimental energy leaks that Black women underestimate. What you've lacked, however, is the freedom to use your power for your own gain. Your spirit has been crushed under the weight of survival, and the woman that you are destined to be has been waiting on you to return to self. Black women, we are powerful beyond measure, but our energy has been intentionally exploited. We were born with DNA that creates whole new worlds and clarity that cuts through illusion. From the moment we entered this world, our power was redirected, drained, praised when it served others, and punished when it would dare serve us. And no one explained to us that the exhaustion we feel after holding everything together for everyone but ourselves is manufactured. If you resonate with the experience that I'm referring to, go ahead and like the video, stick around because I've created this content specifically for you. And I want to ask you, how often do you find yourself holding everything together when everything inside of you is quietly falling apart? And how many decisions in your life have you had to make from a place of survival instead of purpose and vision? How many mornings have you woken up tired before your day even started? And that exhaustion that you feel is not proof that you're failing, it's proof that your power has been working everywhere except in your own life. I need you to know that you were never powerless, not for a single day. Your energy is sacred. It's the technology that holds families together and keeps us moving forward. But at some point along the journey, you were conditioned to believe that burning yourself out was the only way to success. Survival taught you to respond to crisis before you ever had an opportunity to get clear on your purpose. And the systems around you rewarded you for building in a constant state of chaos, but never supported you in building a future of sustained, holistic well-being. And I need you to understand that you've been exhausted, burnt out, and run into the ground by design. And your spirit has been crushed under the weight of survival, and the woman that you are destined to be has been waiting on you to return to self. I want you guys to tell me in the comments which part of your energy feels most overworked in this current season. Is it your mind, your spirit, your emotions, or your physical body? Now, I want you to imagine this with me. I want you to imagine waking up with your energy centered and not scattered, where you're not rushing to start the day and you're at a state of peace and calm. Imagine having crystal clear clarity of your purpose, where you're going, and the exact step you're going to take for the day, knowing where your energy will go and where it will not. And imagine your decisions and manifestations aligning effortlessly because you're no longer scattered in your mind and in your energy. If this is the type of future that you're trying to build for yourself, you can have it. It's already yours, but you have to get ruthless about protecting and auditing your energy. You have to pull your energy back into yourself one day, one action, and one decision at a time. And to give you a head start, I'm going to share with you one of the most detrimental energy leaks that Black women underestimate. Black women are conditioned to respond to everything. And many of us have been doing it for so long that we don't even recognize it's happening. We absorb everyone's anxiety, we soothe everyone's pain, we mediate everyone's conflict, and we stabilize everyone's chaos. And your nervous system is left carrying the weight of burdens that were never yours to begin with. Be honest, does this sound like your life? Can you relate? And if you can, I promise you are not alone. This one leak alone disrupts your clarity, your intuition, your decision making, and your creativity. And it's why you feel drained, why you struggle with brain fog, and why you spend time second guessing your own intuition. It's not because you don't have enough power or energy to get the job done. It's because your power and your energy are grossly misused. And sis, that is just one energy leak that we experience as Black women. There are two energy leaks that cost us just as much that we rarely see coming. There are leaks that quietly steal your momentum, block your next level, and keep you functioning at half power without ever knowing why. And this is exactly why I created the Black Woman Energy Reset, because you deserve to walk into 2026 with a clear plan on how to reclaim your power. Imagine the type of life that you can create for yourself and the people you love when you finally connect to the fullness of your own divine frequency. And reclaiming that power is not complicated. It doesn't require a new personality, it just requires new direction. Everything you need to start building that life now is already in you. You just need the blueprint to bring your energy back to its rightful owner. And before I tell you how to join the reset, I want you to do one thing. I want you to share this video with another Black woman who is running on empty. Because sharing is caring, and you never know whose breakthrough is on the other side of your generosity. So if this message resonated deeply with your spirit, that's your confirmation. And you can join the energy reset with the link that I'll be leaving in the description. I do want to let you know that these spots are limited because this work is intimate and it requires presence. Click the link in the description, save your seat, and come with us to return to your power. Your energy belongs to you, your future belongs to you, and together we can change the trajectory of our future. See you there.